Hello everyone, welcome to TechTuts YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Bluestacks in your MacBook M1, M2, M3 or M4. So if you're using Mac and if you're looking to use Bluestacks, keep watching this video. So first of all, you have to search in Google Bluestacks for Mac. So previously there was no Mac version, but since December 10, they have released their beta version. You can see Bluestacks Air. The name of this Bluestacks Mac version is Bluestacks Air, and it's built for Apple Silicon. You can see download Bluestacks. So you just need to download bluestacks.com/Mac and then download Bluestacks and install. So once you install it, you will see like this. You can see this is the interface of Bluestacks M version. So it has the similar interface, same as Windows. It is really impressive. It's very fast. I have been using it for the last 20 days. If you go to settings, you will see it has several settings. You can see the one thing I realized that my display is only 1920 and 1080 resolution, but if I select 1920 and 1080, it actually does not work, and it works like it feels very awkward. But I have to select 2560 and 1440 resolution, and rest of the settings are fine. I don't have to make any changes, and that is you can see it's the default view of Bluestacks Air. If you go to settings, you will see that settings same as Windows, nothing changes. You can play Free Fire or you can do whatever you want, like a Android system. So the whole system will work in the beta version. You can just go to Bluestacks Air and you can download the Bluestacks Air for your Mac version. So I'm very happy that I can now play Free Fire or any other Android game for my Mac. So I've been using Mac Mini M4, so I'm happy with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel and comment below if you have any questions. I will see you in another video. Thank you.